Audio rolling, camera rolling, action. That is not what I would have said.
Hey syndicates, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking one of my avant-garde looks and turning it into an editorial wearable look. And the one I'm doing today is called the Red Dragon look. And this was named by my husband, but it came out of a 1-minute challenge to a 30-minute challenge on TikTok, where I decided to paint my face in under a minute. I was super stressed, it was super chaotic, and then I fixed it in 30 minutes. And this is what came out of it, so I wanted to take that look and turn it into a wearable eye look so that you can wear it with a mask or without at home. If you're interested in how I turned this into this, then keep on watching. Okay, I have the 3 products that I'm going to be using. The first one is going to be the black. And the black one is by One Size. It is Point Made Bodalicious Black 24-hour liquid eyeliner pen. And I'm going to start off with doing kind of like an interesting wing eyeliner, but I'm going to do a twist on it. Then I'm going to pull the skin a little bit, draw a line. Then I'm going to do the other side. So I just did like a normal cat eye, and I connected it to the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to fill it in. I'm gonna do a squiggly line now at the top. So here is where my eyeball is. And I'm gonna do like a little dot right here to mark the middle, really subtle. Y'all see the dot? I'm kind of doing like a little shape that goes with my eyeball. I wanna make sure that both of these are dry. So I'm just gonna awkwardly fan my eyes. The next product I'm gonna use is the NYX Vivid Brights Vivid Fire liquid eyeliner. It's very, very beautiful red color. I've used it before, so it is well loved. And just like the Red Dragon look, I want to trace the black and then kind of continue the swirls. Perfect. Now we have the top part of the eye. I'm keeping the gap alive. Then final part is the gold. So for the gold, I will be using the NYX Glitter Gold liquid eyeliner in the color of Queen. So I have a love and hate relationship with this product because I think it dried out a little bit, but I really like the colors before. I'm going to do this to make sure that I get a lot of products on the applicator. I will make a decision on where it's gonna go. My guess is gonna go right under the red because clearly I don't plan things out beforehand. I think this definitely calls for my small mirror, because man, I cannot see half the stuff I do sometimes. That's very beautiful, and I will try to do this on the other side. All I'm doing is following the curve of the red. Okay, now that we've done the gold and it's underneath the red and the black, I'm going to take the black, I'm going to do my inner corner. Looking good. I want to take the gold again and I'll go underneath the black. So now we're building. Okay, now I'm going to put on some lashes. For this look to be complete, I need to use dramatic lashes from Neshai. Snip, snip. These ones are gonna get snipped. Taha. Goodbye. Okay, now I can glue this on my eye. Putting the glue directly on my eye. It works better for me than putting it directly on the eyelashes, so I can get the placement right. Ready, set, place. And because my eyes are so shimmery, I want to add some highlight also onto my cheekbones. For my highlighter, I'm using the NYX Love You So Mochi highlighting palette in Lit Life, and I'm going to be using the gold one right in the middle. Just taking my finger and dabbing it onto my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, a little bit on the brow bone, a little bit on my cupid's bow, and finally on my chin. And there you have it. This is the final look. If you like this video and this look, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with an Instagram link to the avant-garde look that you want me to create an editorial wearable look for my next video. I want to do more of these. These are pretty fun. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. As usual, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!